Now, this one is how you create your own skill files. And this is easy peasy because we're going to have Chatty do it for us from a template. Okay, so I've started a new GPT and I've uploaded 3 skills that are already in our skill library: promotion, research, and what was the other one? Oh, um, who this product is for. Hold on just a second, let me check. Yes, who this product is really for. So what I'm going to do is just talk to Chatty naturally with these skills. Okay, so I sell digital products. Customers ask me the same kinds of questions. I want to figure out whether those customer questions could become useful content instead of me constantly trying to think of new things to post. Okay, so it's going to say you don't have to uh, always try to think of new content. If they're asking you the same things. So let it finish what it's doing. I want to point out this right here. This is a repeatable system. So if something is repeatable, it can become a skill. If Chatty says, I'd make it a loop. So the customer asks, you capture, you tag, you count, you cluster, create, publish, measure, improve product. So I'm going to come down here and just say, you know, before we test this with actual questions, I want to understand the repeatable process we just uncovered. So now it's going to come back and say, the audience finder gives us the evidence. So we're going to collect, clean, classify, cluster, interpret, research, produce, improve. Okay, so the reusable engine is this. Wonderful. So now we want Chatty to define the skill that we're going to um, have it make. Okay, so we have a repeatable process, and that would be a good candidate to turn it into a reusable skill. So don't build the skill yet. Tell me whether it actually belongs in a skill, what the job would be, what someone would give it as input, and what it should produce. Okay, so let's see what it gives us. What the skill should do. And then what should come out, what should stay outside the skill. So here's the clean skill architecture. So raw customer questions would be the input, and then it would run the customer questions intelligence skill and output the opportunity report with a prioritized action queue. Very good idea. Very good idea. Okay, so now we're going to upload the turn the way I do something into a skill. Okay, so we're just going to upload that file if I can find it. Okay, turn the way I do something into a skill. There we go. And then we are going to upload our template. that you guys all have access to. Okay. And then I'm going to tell it to um, that I've uploaded the 2 additional files and I want it to basically preserve the principle that we discovered, keep the boundaries established, use the blank skill template as a required structure, and the skill builder guide for how the skill is designed. Ask me only for genuinely missing information, and when the design is sufficiently created, give me a downloadable file. So let's see what it says. Okay, fantastic. It created the skill for us. So let's download the skill, and then we'll open a new chat, a fresh chat, and we'll test the skill. Okay, so let's open a new chat, and we'll upload our new skill that we just created. If I can find it. My goodness, my stuff is messy today. Okay, so I've uploaded the skill, and now I'm just going to paste um, just some made-up questions. I sell digital products. Here's some customer questions I've collected. Can you help me figure out what I should do with them? So I downloaded it, but where did it go? That's always a fun one, isn't it? Can I use this on my iPad? Can I edit this in Canva? How do I print this? Mine printed really small. Yes. Oh, very, very good. Can you make it purple? Can you customize it? Okay. So then we're gonna say these are the copied from different kinds of customer conversations. Use the uploaded skill to analyze them and tell me what you think I should actually do with this information. All right. 20 customer questions. Here's what your customers are actually telling you. Nice. Okay. Okay, so what should I do? You should create or improve a very simple start here, quick start system. There you go. And it should answer all of these questions. You can put all of the answers to those questions into this chat and it will create a printable uh, or file for you that you can deliver with your products. Second, high priority. There we go. So it tells you exactly what you should do with each of, here's your priority queue. So fix the path from purchase, audit your listing. There you go. Content opportunity. Make a tutorial. And then at the bottom, it tells us exactly what we should do in order. So we just created our own skill from a problem that we were having. It's really that simple. And if you don't know what to do, just open another tab with Chatty in there and copy and paste it and ask what to do. Tell it what you're doing and ask it to guide you, and it will do it. It will help you. So I hope this answers a lot of questions. I'm sure it raises a lot of questions. But, you know, ask me in the Facebook group, tag me in the Facebook group. Um, I'm happy to answer your questions, do other tutorial videos. Um, but you know me, anything you want. So I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for hanging in there this long.